Hi everyone, my name is Heather. I live and work in the Bay Area. I'm an instructional designer. A lot of people ask me what that is. My one-liner is that I help faculty who are teaching face-to-face learn how to or re-envision their courses for an online format. Um, I'm taking this course as part of the TESOL program so that I can teach English language learners. I've always been interested in working with that population, and also I think that teaching will only enhance my instructional design skills. Something interesting about me, I'm a scuba diver. I go scuba diving in the Monterey Bay, and I've also been to Belize and Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I look forward to meeting the rest of my classmates.